Hello, welcome. I'd like to introduce you to the new Dwadie app, which is basically meant for service providers, wholesalers, and retailers. Okay, so this is the service providers edition. When you install the app the first time, it requests you to sign up. So in the sign up, you enter your business name and then you select the type of business. So when you select service provider, this is the interface that you finally arrive at. Okay, so let's look at the basic features. So we have my services. So when you go to my services, it will display a list of all your services. Yeah, so mine, for instance, is showing all the services I render for people. All right, so let's add a new service. To add a service, you click on this plus button. Then you enter the service name. Let's say let me call it A3 printing. So what's the cost? Let's say 5 cedis for one. Then I save. And then you can also edit entered service. So you can just edit. All right. So you can see all the services here. Okay. Now let's come to customers. Over here, you can list all the customers that you do business with. You just click this plus button and then you enter the detail here. When you finish, then you save. Now when you come to sales, the app is going to display a list of all your sales transactions for you. So as you can see today, this is the sales that I've made. Yeah, so this is just an example. All right, so you can also filter here. You can also filter the sales with this information. You can select a specific date on which you want to check all the sales. All right, and then expenditure tool will give you a list of all your expenses. So to enter a new expense, you click on the plus button and then you select an item. So these are existing items, so items have already added already. So the system will automatically populate this drop down with your previous items you added. To add a new item, you just click this plus button and then you add let's say water bill. All right, so as you can see, a water bill, and then you enter amount, let's say 25 cedis, then finish. Then the system will record your will save it for you. All right, now let's say I want to enter a sales record. Because sales is what you'll be doing frequently, we've added this plus button at the home screen here to so you can have easy access to enter your sales. So to do that, you click this floating button over here, and then it's going to display this panel. So this is where you are going to enter your sales. So over here you can select the customer. That is the customer you've added in the customer list. Okay, you can add or you can leave it blank. Then over here you choose the service. So you are going to get the list of all your services here. So let's say passport picture is 10 cedis. Maybe I printed let's say 2 copy, and maybe let me give a discount of, let's say, 3 cedis and save. So the system will calculate everything for you. That's right. So it's just a matter of selecting a service that was rendered. You enter a quantity. If you want to give a discount, you give. If not, you leave it blank or 0. That's right. So as you are entering, the system will be calculating for you. Okay, let's come to report. So with reports, the system is going to show you your annual, the summary of your sales, your total sales expenses, and then your net income. And you can also filter over here with this information. So if I want to see only today, what I did today, I'll just click today, and it's going to give me a summary of that. Let's say yesterday. I don't think I have no, I don't have any record for yesterday. Okay, all right. So basically, that is how it works. One amazing thing about this app is that it has a backup system, a cloud system where we store all your data, and the app can also be used in multi-user mode. Multi-user mode means that we can link your account to multiple devices. So let's say you have a shop, and then there is someone who is actually taking care of the place. So we can install the app for him. He will use it for the transactions, and then you will be at your office, or let me say home or somewhere, and then you can be watching what he's doing, all the sales that he's entering, and how the business is going. Yeah, and we can even set restrictions on let me say on a device. So the gentleman who is at your shop, we can set a restriction that okay, he can enter only sales, but he can't view report. Yeah, we can customize it based on how you want it. So that is how it works. So it's on Google Play Store. When you say Dwadie POS, you can get it. And then we also give 1 month free subscription. That means the first 1 month is free. Subsequent versions is going to include additional features like SMS, where you can send an SMS through the app to your customers, and then other related features. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.